Today we are going to take you to a plato típico in our kitchen.
Every Latino should know how to make a picadillo. So the first thing you do, take all the ingredients out.
Y no te me asustes, we keep it simple to do it any day of the week. First, we are going to cut everything for the sofrito.
So normally the recipe calls for some fresh garlic. Today, we're gonna use some of this. Empieza con un deep pot that has a lid. I'll get the meat cooking while Lisette gets the sofrito going. First, start with some olive oil. Then you add the meat, but make sure you keep stirring so it breaks up while you're cooking. So my rule of thumb is adobo on everything. We have about 2 pounds here. You want to make sure you cook thoroughly for about 6 to 8 minutes.
So in a separate frying pan, I'm gonna put a good amount of olive oil. Let it heat up in the pan as well. And cuando ya esté caliente, I'm gonna drop in the peppers, the onion, and measure out the garlic. Gracias. Thank you so much. It smells delicious. Esto no se lleva más que 2 to 3 minutes to cook.
And then all you do, just pour it in.
So just drop in 2 cans of salsa de tomate, 2 cups of water, and then half a cup of cooking wine.
Bueno, a mí siempre me hace falta un poquito de fuego en la cocina. So, I use some hot sauce. Now, be safe and use about 3 tablespoons, okay?
Un sachet de sazón.
Garlic powder, onion powder, y black pepper.
I use ground bay leaf because I don't like seeing hoja en mi comida. And then bring it to a boil, cover, and let it simmer for about 10 minutes.
So while that's going on, I'm gonna cut some butternut squash into cubes. My abuelita likes to cook with potatoes, but I like butternut squash, not only for their sweetness, because it's not so heavy. And I do keep abuela's olives, although in my recipe, I like to split them. Now, this will take about 45 to 60 minutes, so I think just enough time to catch up on your favorite show. Well, once that's all done, just remove it from the heat and enjoy. So you can have this traditionally over white rice, or my favorite, throw it in a tortilla and have a taco night.
Buen provecho.